The OREI WHD-165-K is a reliable wireless HDMI extender designed to transmit high-quality video signals up to 165 feet in clear line-of-sight environments. Supporting 1080p at 60 Hz, it complies with HDMI 1.3 and HDCP 1.4 to ensure smooth, secure playback across modern displays. With a 4.96 gigabits per second bandwidth and 5G wireless frequency transmission, the WHD-165-K delivers stable performance with low latency and minimal interference. Ideal for classrooms, conference rooms, and home AV setups, the transmitter includes an HDMI loop out for a local display and supports up to 4 receivers, enabling multi-display expansion. SSID pairing and channel switching allow multiple units to operate in the same environment without signal conflicts. One-way IR control lets users manage their source device from the receiver side, while the plug-and-play design ensures quick, hassle-free installation. The WHD-165-K provides a flexible, cable-free solution for full HD wireless distribution.